Bushiri, die-hard supporters tell scammer to stop denting their father's reputation. Controversial pastor Shepherd Bushiri's fans and congregants have defended him against a scammer. Someone by the name of Xolani appealed for cash donations to help the pastor's court case. Not long after, Bushiri's official Twitter account responded to the post, denying ever asking the public for donations. Xolani said he was only joking and made fun of those attacking him. Bushiri and his wife Mary are due to appear in the Pretoria Specialized Commercial Crimes Court on Wednesday, following their arrest last Friday by the Hawks on charges of fraud, organized crime and money laundering.
Yeah.